In this video, we are going to see how Performance Analyzer can be used to improve the performance of Power BI reports. Performance Analyzer in Power BI is an offline tool that helps you understand how efficiently your reports and visuals are performing. It provides detailed insights into the time taken by each element of your report, allowing you to identify and optimize any performance bottlenecks. It records the time taken for various actions such as loading visuals and executing DAX queries, helping you optimize your report's performance. Before going forward, we will quickly see how we can connect to Performance Analyzer. Go to the Power BI desktop and open a sample Power BI report. In this case, we are considering an executive summary sales report for which we want to do the performance analysis. Go to the View tab and select Performance Analyzer. Click on the Start Recording button to begin capturing performance data. You can interact with the report by clicking on visuals and the slicers and navigate between pages and thereby capturing the details. You can stop the recording button to stop capturing the data. And you can review the recorded data to identify performance bottlenecks. There is an option to export this performance analysis data. Detailed analysis can be done through DAX Studio, which will be discussed in the subsequent videos. As can be seen here, when using Performance Analyzer in Power BI, we can monitor several key parameters like the DAX query time, which is the time taken to execute DAX queries, visual display time, the time taken to render or display visuals on the screen, and this other time, which is the miscellaneous tasks such as query preparation and internal processing. We can also compare and see the difference between a slow query and a better runtime query after optimizing it. Let us consider a report where we want to show the running total sales, which is to track how sales are growing year by year, for which a DAX query or DAX measure has been created. Here, running total sales. This is the DAX query. But on performance analysis, we found that it is taking a little bit more time than expected. So, an optimized query has been created and subsequently one more report for optimized running total sales has been generated. Let us compare these two reports using Performance Analyzer. Go to View, Performance Analyzer, start recording. So we can see that this report is taking around total time of 1565 milliseconds, where the DAX query is 1208 milliseconds. When we move to the fast visual, it is taking only 588 milliseconds, where the DAX query is 365 milliseconds and the visual display is also 90 milliseconds, which is lower than that of the slow running visual. So, by analyzing all these parameters, one can draw various conclusions to optimize the Power BI reports, identifying slow queries, to determine which DAX queries are taking the longest to execute and optimize them. Optimize visuals, identifying visuals that are slow to render and make necessary adjustments to improve the performance. Improve report efficiency, understand which elements are causing delays and streamline our report design. Last but not the least, enhancing user experience. Ensure that your reports load quickly and efficiently, providing a better experience for users.